Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to add bullet points and text of a WordPress website blog post. As you can see, I'm into my WordPress website admin dashboard, and here in the left side toolbar there is a section of post. Right, as we move the cursor to the post, then automatically a sub menu appears in front of us, having option of all posts, where all posts written by us would be displayed, and you can simply create a new post by clicking on the add post, as I'm going to tell you how to add the bullet points. So I'm taking reference of a blog post written by me already, right? So you can understand better. So I've clicked on all posts, and here I'm scrolling down, and there are too many articles written by me, and there is one article that is of 10 benefits of yoga, right? The article title is getting displayed over here, and there is an edit button under this particular title, and I'm going to click on this edit button. So I have clicked on it, and here if we scroll down to the article content, right, let us find a place where we can add bullet points, right? So for example, this 6 number subheading is having a paragraph in it, and I want to write something in bullet points over here. So I have placed my cursor in the end of the paragraph, right, and I have clicked on enter to create a new line, right? And here I can simply start typing my content. For example, yoga improves blood circulation. So I have written this text, and now I will move my cursor over the text, and as soon as I move my cursor over the text, there is a toolbar that is displayed automatically, right? And here there is a arrow button of more. We need to click on the arrow button of more, and here you can see there are too many options, right? Either here, or like you can click on P as well, right? The P paragraph icon, and here you can find the list. I have selected, and as you can see, this particular point has already into the bullet point. Right now I have placed my cursor in the end of this text in the bullet point, right? And again I will click on enter, and you can see the bullet point or the list has been started. So yoga improves the body posture. This is the 2nd number point which I want to write. So I have simply write this as in bullet points, right? You can also change the bullet points. You can move the cursor on over the text again, and the top toolbar would be displayed automatically, right? And you can select the list item, right? You can click on select parent block list, and you can see we can also mark this bullet point as order. So if we click on this order, then automatically the bullet points would be converted into the numbers, right? So this is how you can add bullet points in your blog post on a WordPress website. Apart from it, if you want to learn more about the WordPress website, then I have mentioned my blog link in the video description. Simply visit our blog, read our articles, and you would eventually learn about the WordPress website. If you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then also I have mentioned my website link in the video description, which you can check out. You can explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from our website. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.